On day one of the Recreational Boating and Fishing Foundation State Marketing Workshop, keynote speaker Brittany Hodak challenged us to consider the power of telling stories. What compels us to share? From creating superfans to burning the churn, marketing representatives gained valuable ideas and tips to retain, engage, and inspire boaters and anglers. State representatives and their colleagues discussed their strategies to beat churn and thought critically about how to maximize resources. As we move into day two, we'll talk more about strategies and informed approaches to reach broader audiences of boaters and anglers. And we'll join together in our R3 Expo. These sessions are where great ideas and collaborative relationships are shaped. The power of this workshop lies in significant moments where state marketers bring expertise from their respective homes, take fresh ideas from our sessions, and chart new paths to help others live a great life in the outdoors.